When do we create a secondary index?
When our DB is performing very low.
No, correct, correct. Whenever the database is, how do we know that? Based on which tools?
ATC,
Based on which? ATC is only offline check.
sir, can we do in
It is
trace,
not
sir?
check
That
the
ST05.
correct, correct, correct. Note down the answers also. That is more we use for production projects because over a period of time data will become more. In that case, there is challenges will come. System is working, right?
Just working, but a little bit slow.
Yes. SAP. Working system. Just check it your system SAP working or not.
Working, sir, working fine. Maybe some internet issues.
Working fine. Huh?
Yes,
Hmm.
sir, yes, sir.
Hmm. So what I was telling is, if you go to here, indexes. In HANA, it's not that important index as for HANA. Go to more table. Okay, which is in the properties here. Right. What is the unique index? What is the unique index? Answer is it works as primary index. Sorry, primary key. Whatever the fields we mention as part of unique index system will not accept the records duplicate with the same values in all the unique index fields. The tags in that case, the tags in that case as primary key with these fields. What is the buffering? How many types of? Okay.
The buffering related to database, sir.
It works the data stores in the application layer.
It stores the frequently accessed data in the local buffer so that it can fastly access.
Remember all this. Now if you go to here, What is this two purpose? What is the purpose of these three?
That parameter ID use it when you are handling the uh, request or set handler loops.
Hmm. Assign the default value for the scheme fields. Simple.
Yes, sir. Mm.
And what is the purpose of this one? Here, this parameter. What is this? What is this?
So that is the variable name and the field which is it representing. Search help.
Search help. This one we call as a variable or any terminology we call.
The name thing we can say a variable, but or you can say data member, whereas the parameter is the field of that
No,
table,
no,
like
no,
Maramati and everything.
no. Open this data element, all of you, and S11. How do you know what is meaning by name? How do you know anything if we don't know in SAP? What do we do?
Double click.
Double click. Go to data element, double click, and tell me what is this one. What is this?
Or it is a collective search help.
Correct. It is a search help. It could be collective or it could be a this one.
Elementary search.
Hmm. What is the other one? What is these parameters? Just one mail I am sending to you. 1 minute. One message. What is parameters here? What is MATNR?
That whenever we create a search help should be assigned to a data element, right? We will assign it to the parameter. We'll give that parameter name.
No, no.
Here it was given a search help is attached to a data element, a parameter of search help must be assigned to the data element.
No, not must. We can use without attaching the search help to parameters also, right? Using match code object. Not mandatory to give at the data element level.
Okay.
Open the search
Sir,
will understood. Yes, yes.
while creating the field catalog, we give that parameter ID, right?
No. This one. If you open your search help, you will understood what we have done in the class. Or you can open this search help also, you can find out.
It's the first field of the search maybe like that.
No. It can be any parameter, not only first. What do you call this one? MATNR. This is what is the EXP? Exporting parameter means when you click that value from the list, this value will go as an input to the skin field. That is what we call as a parameter here. It can be more than one also. Suppose plant field you want to give. At plant field also you can give this checkbox. For the plant field will come as a search option. Export is the parameter. If you want, I will note down somewhere here. You make it answer of this one. Export in search help is the parameter that carries the value from the search list to the skin field which we have searched. Right. For example, here, if I go to here, if I want to know where I am using this search help, how do I know? I want to find out in which places I am using my search help.
Where use list?
Where is list?
Where is
Put a cursor here. Put a where is list here. In which places I am using, I can get here. Maybe in the data elements, programs, I can choose here. Programs. I go to here. Double click here. Execute here. All right. Now if I click on here, now if I click here, right, what will happen if I click here? Suppose if I click on this material number 1006, what will happen? When you double click this 0006, what will happen?
It will take as a parameter.
This value will come as a to the skin field here now. 106. This is called a parameter here. This is the parameter here. What I'm writing the code here. Where we are? This one or this one? Wait 1 minute. Not this one. You export this one. No input history is, it will not give the history. This will store the data in the standard tables for history log. This one, change document. I think this is not much required. You can go through, otherwise not that much important here. This bidirectional options. Now if I go to here, data element. What is the purpose of field labels? What is the purpose of the field labels?
Sir, field labels
Field
is used to
labels will
Good.
You can see that in our output screen, like if we have
How
the
that field should appear to the
sir, field labels
Simple
that
column
is
headings.
yes for
What is that purpose? What is the use of these single values and intervals?
so single value is used to define to select one value between two options. Like if there is a gender, we can select either a male or female.
Correct.
And for interval, it is like a range that
Correct.
in some time we use in function module also that for lower limit and upper limit.
Correct. Good. Correct. Next. Without this, there is no interview. What I'm asking now in this last one. I mean, in this domain level, this one. Without this, there is no interview. Whatever number of times I said, still some people will not give the correct answer to the interviewer. What is this? Hmm? What is this? We discussed many times this point in class. Oh?
Value table means check table, right?
No, not always.
Okay.
Not always. It could be or it could not be.
Sir, if we mentioned foreign key relationship, then it will act as a check table.
No.
Is that correct?
It will act as a check table is no.
No.
But words we should change. All of you are going to get into proposal. This word you remember. Proposal word you
So
remember?
when it will act as check table, sir.
No, it will not act as, right? It will propose to consider as a check table. Propose is different, act as a check table different, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
I showed you practically also.
Mm.
That you do unless again you do it now, you cannot answer confidently the answer. Without this, there is no interview for the freshers.
So
Value table.
value table is for if we are selecting any tables fixed value, then the value from that particular field it comes like that.
No, no, no. It basically comes as a check table when you are trying to create a foreign key relationship. Otherwise, it won't give any check. It will don't do by default. Or you can find out here also. What the transaction
Sir,
code to
but,
find documentation?
sir, but foreign key relationship means for a particular field in that table.
No, no. Whenever you are creating a foreign key, at that time, value table will come as a check table option proposal to consider.
Okay, sir.
Proposal. What is this documentation from where I am getting this one? Which transaction code? Using which transaction code this documentation will come?
Above docu.
Above docus. See the definition here. This is very, very important concept here. Specifying a value table alone does not trigger a check. Hello? It will check only if you give the foreign key relationship. Otherwise, this table will come as a proposal only. What is this answer for this one? What I'm saying,
Same.
no, right? I said proposal. You can proposal means someone proposes. Is it accept important or is optional to us? Proposal word. Can we accept or we can reject? Both our options are there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's what I showed you practically in the class. You do it now, today or tomorrow, all these things, then only it will be very clear the concepts. Not only evaluation point of view, but the whole concept of SAP here. And also for every field we go for domain level, right, to check it which is the main table. The main table also it gives information of the main table for that specific field data. That's what I many times I double click, right? What is the purpose of all these things? Routine, sine, case sensitive.
Routine is used to convert into that particular length. Instead of if we given emitter as length of 3, it will convert to that particular specified length, 40 or 18.
How it will convert based on convert means how it will do it exactly. It will add any zeros or not?
Leading zeros.
Yes, that is very important word, right?
Yes, sir. Leading zeros will be
The
added.
leading zeros, the value will not change, but it will convert. That's why you see material numbers and all. If you display here, you go to S11 more. Or I think maybe AK. Right, sales order numbers like this. If you go back, that is now you check the checkbox. Let's see what will happen. See, now it has taken off the leading zeros. Hello, while displaying, it has taken off this one. Whereas if you go on settings, that one will give that leading zeros. This is based on the conversion exit only. Next, one more question now. 27, 28. How to to the variable and how to remove leading zeros for the value available in variable. There are two functions. Answer I don't give. Can I check it? Try it. How do you get the above functionality using new ABAP syntax? The leading zeros remove and remove to add. There is conversion exit alpha input function model is there. With that you can do it by calling it. That you can see at the domain level. Go to here. Go to here. Go to domain. Go to display. Go to domain. Here, double click here. This is a functional model here. Conversion exit alpha input and output. Leading zeros and adding leading zeros, taking off leading zeros will take care of by these functional models. Any of these two you can use it. Web dictionary only took time up to here. So what I do? Wait 1 second. Now we'll do the quickly some evaluations. The meantime, you people continue with your case studies. Okay, and these interview questions I'll share it now. We'll continue these questions tomorrow as well and the evaluation. Okay, now who is ready now for the evaluation? I'll stop the recording.